Hello students, now I will derive the relation between mu and IC. What is mu? Mu is the refractive index of the medium, and what is IC? IC is called the critical angle. Critical angle. Now I already discussed what is critical angle. Say light is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium. When light travels from denser medium to rarer medium, a part is reflected, another part is refracted. The angle of incidence is smaller than angle of refraction. Angle of refraction is larger than angle of incidence. Now when the angle of incidence increases, angle of refraction also increases. You see, as we move like this, angle of incidence gradually increasing. So angle of refraction also increases. Okay, for a particular angle of incidence, this you see the angle of refraction becomes 90 degree. I is increasing, R also increasing. ঠিক আছে বাড়ি 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 এটা সময় আর কিমান হ'ব 90 ডিগ্ৰী হ'ব R will become 90 degree at a particular angle of incidence. The angle of incidence for which R equals to 90 degree is called the critical angle. Okay, so we'll draw this particular case. I'll draw. This is the incident ray. This is a normal. This angle is called the angle of incidence. Suppose this angle of incidence IC. Okay, it is IC. I equals to IC. What is I? I equals to IC. Then refracted ray will go like this. And angle of refraction will be 90 degree. So when light travels from denser medium to rarer medium, when the angle of incidence is IC, the R becomes 90 degree. Okay, so when I equals to IC, then R equals to 90. Okay, now what is mu? When you write mu, it means R mu D, refractive index of denser medium with respect to rarer medium. Refractive index of denser medium with respect to rarer medium. Okay, means light is traveling from rarer to denser, but in this case light is traveling from denser to rarer, so we require d mu r. Why? Because light is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium. Okay, so how to find d mu r? We know that R mu d, there is a formula, R mu d equals to 1 by d mu r. You know the formula. The relation we have already proved. What is the relation? We know the relation 1 mu 2 equals to 1 by 2 mu 1. Okay, this is the relation we know. 1 mu 2 equals to 1 by 2 mu 1. So R mu d equals to 1 by d mu r. When you write mu, I have not written anything, so it means light is traveling from rarer to denser, R mu d. But in this case, light is traveling from denser to rarer, so I have to write d mu r. So how this related? R mu d is 1 by d mu r. Now, what is d mu r? Let me find it out. What is d mu r? D mu r. Sine. In denser medium, what is the angle? Angle is IC. By in R, in rarer medium, what is the angle? Angle is R. Okay, angle is R. Or you can write like this: sine I by sine R. D to R. When what is sine I? I is your IC. And what is R? R is 90 degree. And what is sine 90? Sine 90 is 1, so we have only sine IC. So what is d mu r? D mu r is sine IC. So you can write 1 by sine IC. 1 by sine IC. So we get the relation mu equals to 1 by sine IC. Okay, thank you very much.